Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial session and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in this tutorial video, I will be creating the same logo mark on CorelDRAW and Adobe Illustrator under 8 minutes. Yes, you heard me right. I will be creating the same logo mark on CorelDRAW and Illustrator in 8 minutes. So without further wasting of time, let's jump right. Okay guys, we are on Adobe Illustrator and that's the one we're going to be starting off with in this particular tutorial session. So first off, let's go about our countdown. 3, 2, 1. Boom, let's go. So the first thing I'm going to do today, I'm going to bring up my grid. We are using Ctrl A or Command A if you're using a MacBook. So I'm going to go and check out my ellipse tool. So I'm going to check out my ellipse tool. So meanwhile, just so you know, my snap to grid have already been activated. You press Ctrl C and Ctrl F to paste in front, then you drag to create the second cycle. Then we zoom out. Let's zoom out again. So we are going to copy both and we are going to drag this way because we need not only one. So we are going to zoom in to make sure that our stuff is well at this point. Okay, so let's zoom out. So now the next thing we are going to do is we are going to create 3 of these. We are going to create 3 of these simultaneously. So we are going to drag this and we are going to create a duplicate here. And then we are going to drag and create another duplicate here. So now the next we're going to do, we are going to go to our shape, so then we create a segment. Then all we are going to do is just copy. We're going to copy again. You're going to create one, just keep copying the lines. So just so you know, this is for fun. This is not actually a client's job. Definitely I won't go this route if I was to design for a client, but this is for fun. So all I expect from you to do is just sit, relax and enjoy this manual speed art. So we're going to create another one and place it on top. We are already 2 minutes down the time. Okay, so we need to be as fast as we can. So now we are going to do the same thing we did. I decided to go the route of doing this manually because I want to see if I can beat this time without using shortcuts. Definitely if I were to use shortcut, I would have been done with this stage ages. In fact, I would have been done with this logo by now. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select this, then I'm going to go to my shape builder tool, and I'm going to select the fill to black, then I'm going to start joining my elements. And start joining them. I'm going to do the same this way. Okay, so I think that's it and we are done. And we are done. I'm going to just delete this, then I'm going to zoom out. And there we have it. 4 minutes passed and we are done with that. So we are going to, lastly, we are just simply going to do one thing, and that is to select this. Then we drag it a bit here, and that is it for Illustrator. And we are going to do the same on CorelDRAW. So let's go over to CorelDRAW. So the same thing, I'm going to activate my grid. So then I'm going to activate my grid, and I'm going to zoom in. I think I may be faster on CorelDRAW. So I'm going to go over to my shape tool, to my ellipse tool, and I'm going to do the same thing that I did. Then I'm going to reduce to just this. Then I'm going to copy, then I'm going to then duplicate. Then I'm going to go this way, then as I did on Illustrator, then reduce it to just hairline. Then I'm going to come this way, duplicate. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing to this side. Reduce it to hairline, then drag, make sure it is touching. Then I'm going to drag it this way. Now I'm going to select everything, then go to my Smart View tool, and then I'm going to select everything. But in the meantime, in order for me to get my Smart View tool right, I'm going to select everything and then increase the whole concept. Now let me hide my grid first. So now I'm going to go back to my Smart View tool. Okay, and there we have it. You're almost done. The time is fast approaching. And yes, we did it. We did it in 8 minutes. We were able to finish this stuff in 8 minutes. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, make sure your friends get to see this, and on to the next video. Catch you guys. See ya.